And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their set of colored pencils. Very nice, completely sealed. Love that set of color pencils. So this is what that it comes in. It's got the 2 seals on it, so we'll break those and take our top off. Look at that. All of these very nice colored pencils. Whoa, beautiful. Wow, nice. And looks like outside of the pencils, there's also something in the top here. Let's see what this is. Look at that. Nice enough to include a little pencil sharpener. Can't beat that. Love it. So if I was to take these, can lay them all out for you. Let's see. There we go. So there's literally like every color here that you can think of. I love that either way you put them in, you would be able to see. Like I can see from the top here, this is a green, very nice, or a white, blue, purple, pink, etc. Absolutely lovely set of colored pencils from this company. So there's 72 different colors here, and they look magnificent, and you can't beat the included pencil sharpener. And plus, they're already sharpened for you, so that's even better too. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send me these colored pencils to unbox and show you exactly what you get here. If you're a person who loves coloring books and coloring with colored pencils, this is the set you would need, as you'll have every color you should need. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.